Activity: bowling pins. First of all, the place we choose needs to be wide, long, and obstacle-free. The material we will need is a ball and a bowling pin. The objective is to tumble the pin with the ball. First of all, as we see Rafa, we place the pin and take 4 or 5 steps away from the pin, and then he positions himself for the throw. He takes the ball with his dominant hand and takes 1 step forward with the foot opposite of his throwing hand. He bends his backwards knee, keeps his back straight and his head up, and throws the ball trying to hit the pin. It is important that the ball slides over the floor and avoids any bounces if possible. This activity can be done as many times as we like it, and can be done on our own or with a partner. Since we only have 1 bowling pin, we will have to build an extra one. One way to do this is by grabbing a plastic water bottle and filling it with sand, beans, or rice, so that it has some weight inside. This way, we have more pins and we can build as many as we like. In order to do this activity with a partner, we should stand in front of each other with the pins next to ourselves. We will take turns trying to hit each other's pins. Now is the turn of your partner. Every time you or your partner tumbles a pin, you each obtain 1 point. Every player must keep count of his or her points. The winner will be the first one to score 3 points. And we can repeat the activity for as many times as we like.